Yeah, no, everything else is and then one year the stars it's fun to catch you later.
Very 3D, very natural.
My instruction is beautiful.
He does a good job. He does a good job on us. And everything's straight in. There's nothing made for the kids. They're all made out of wood, clay, plaster. He makes his own bridges, his own trees.
Wow, that's beautiful. It really does like
No, there's 4.
multiples.
Yep, there's 4.
It does everything really well. Wow.
What's wow? Harry Potter.
My sibling would love that.
Pardon?
My friend would like that.
Well, great. My husband's made the
I see.
Hey, do you reckon you made a Harry Potter one? He goes, give it a go, I suppose. And
Yeah.
this is, that's the first one.
Yep.
And then our son is 33. And he comes and goes, you've done well, but, you know, what about Hogsmeade and Shrinking Shack and all of that?
Yeah.
So that's why we made this one.
Oh, wow. I see.
So you've got half on that one and half on this one.
Wow.
Yeah.
I haven't seen much of Harry Potter, but is that just like the same school or is it different? Like,
It's the same one.
book.
If prints it, you pull it off, it's done. Yeah, if I wanted to do more resin printing, I'd probably buy another resin printer because little bit. The one I've got is good. I'd probably get a better one, but I just don't have. I can't dedicate time to that. Just too busy with it. And mainly getting the mountains and mountains and instead of that. And we were just at Canberra 2 weekends ago, and people just go, you do this like because they have a big end scarp up there, and there's like.
Hi, bicycle. Oh, I guess this man is.
He must be drinking.
Too much wine.
Drink too much brandy.
I think that can be whiskey or beer.
Isn't that cool? You love trains.
I love trains.
I know you love trains.
Can play cars?
We can't play with the cars anyway. Look, ready? Bye bye train.